Before I start getting you excited about this home, my name is Moises Contreras. I'm the general manager here at Palm Harbor Homes Odessa, 6700 Andrews Highway, and I got this home for you. It's our weekly special. So now that you know about our weekly special, why don't you come down here and sit down with me and let's go over this great deal. And ask about how you can get this home at zero down. Hurry up guys, this home ain't gonna last. See you soon. Se habla español. Again, it's Palm Harbor, Odessa, 6700 Andrews Highway here in Odessa, Texas. And my name is Moises Contreras. And I'm general manager 30 years. Look forward to seeing you guys. Thank you.